Samsung fans, get ready! The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is making waves with its massive camera upgrade, sleeker design, and powerful performance. Let's dive into the first look, full specs, and why this foldable might be worth the hype. Camera with flash camera upgrades, 200MP powerhouse. Big news from OnLeaks, the Z Fold 7 is packing a 200MP primary camera. This has been one of the most requested upgrades, and it's officially continuing from the special edition. Small blue diamond camera setup. Heavy checkmark 200MP primary sensor, huge jump in detail and clarity. Heavy checkmark 12MP ultrawide lens, perfect for capturing more in every shot. Heavy checkmark 10MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, crisp portraits and zoom shots. Unfortunately, the under-display camera on the cover screen isn't happening. Instead, we get a 10MP punch-hole camera on the outer display and a 4MP under-panel camera on the inner folding screen, just like its predecessor. Straight ruler slimmer yet powerful, the thinnest Samsung Fold yet. Samsung has trimmed down the Z Fold 7 without sacrificing battery life. Small blue diamond dimensions. Straight ruler 4.5mm thick when unfolded. Straight ruler 9.5mm thick when folded. Flex biceps, Samsung's slimmest foldable ever. Despite this, battery life remains unchanged at 4,400 mAh, which is great news. However, fast charging improvements are unlikely. High voltage Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, next level performance. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, with reports suggesting Samsung might use a 7-core version to improve thermal efficiency. Small blue diamond performance specs. Heavy checkmark 16GB RAM for ultra-smooth multitasking. Heavy checkmark up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage for lightning-fast speeds. Heavy checkmark 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 NFC. Mobile phone stunning display, bigger and better. Samsung is stepping up the display game with improvements to brightness, color accuracy, and durability. Small blue diamond main foldable display. Heavy checkmark 8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED. Heavy checkmark ultra-thin glass with no visible crease. Heavy checkmark trimmed bezels for a more immersive experience. Small blue diamond cover display. Heavy checkmark 6.5-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED. Heavy checkmark wider than before, better color accuracy. Small blue diamond S Pen support works on both displays, but not stored inside the device, sold separately. Calendar release date and expected pricing. Tear-off calendar launch date, July 2025. Money bag price, $1,900, £1, 800 UK. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a refined powerhouse. With a sleeker form factor, upgraded cameras, and flagship performance, it's a solid choice for foldable lovers. However, if you're already rocking a Z Fold 6, the upgrades might not be game-changing. But for first-time foldable users or those coming from older models, this might just be the perfect upgrade.